The first step to building wealth is investing your money. But if you don't have a lot to invest, you might be wondering how you can get started. In this video, we'll show you 9 different ways to invest $1,000. Save up some money and then watch this video to learn how to make it work for you. We help teach people about money, personal finance, and investments. If you're interested in improving your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if this video is helpful. Yourself. It's important to invest in yourself. By doing so, you'll be able to develop skills that will be more marketable and generate a higher return on investment. Additionally, investing in yourself will help you to grow as a person. Try to invest 1 to 5% of your net income into activities that will help you develop new skills. Index funds, ETFS. If you're looking to invest, then stock market, index funds, and ETFs are a great option. They offer low-cost access to a wide range of stocks and can help you diversify your portfolio. Over the long term, they can provide decent returns while minimizing anxiety and worry. Get coaching. Another great option is to get coaching. A coach can help you see things you might otherwise miss, and they can be a valuable asset, both personally and professionally. We've seen the benefits of coaching, and we believe it's worth the investment. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are known for paying out dividends quarterly, which you can then keep or reinvest for compounding purposes. Why invest in dividend stocks? There are a few reasons. They're an income-generating asset. Many well-established blue-chip companies offer dividend stocks. They're relatively easy to research before investing. Vending machine biz. You can make money from placing vending machines in high-traffic areas. For little as $1,000, you could buy one used vending machine. Why invest in vending machines? There are a few reasons. You can earn 50 to 75% gross margins from them. They require relatively little time to manage 6-10 hours per week. They provide an easy way to scale and build wealth quickly. Pension. Put your money into a self-invested personal pension. When you do this, the government will give you an instant return in the form of a tax rebate. So, for example, if you're a basic rate taxpayer and you invest $1,000, you'll get a $250 rebate from the government. And if you're a higher rate taxpayer, you'll get a $500 rebate. This money plus the rebate can then be invested for even more gains. Pay off debts. A debt-free life is a sweet life. First, focus on paying off expensive debts, as they will cost you the most in the long run. Second, remember that you can get a guaranteed return by paying off your debts faster. And finally, try to overpay on cheaper debts like your mortgage. This will also give you a guaranteed return. Start side hustle. If you're looking to earn a bit more money, consider starting a side hustle. There are 3 main ways to do this. Online-based, such as starting a YouTube channel or blog. Service-based, becoming a social media manager or bookkeeper. And product-based, such as starting an e-commerce business. Choose the option that best suits your skills and interests. Education. Learning new skills can help you become better at what you do and reach your goals. Consider taking courses in digital marketing, coaching others, affiliate marketing, and such. Choose what works best for you, depending on your goals. Conclusion. We have shown you the list of best ways to invest $1,000. This video is perfect for anyone who's looking to start investing. Our ideas will help you grow your money. So what are you waiting for? Start investing today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.